Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on RKT. Basically, what happened was Robinhood was selling the order flow to Citadel. Citadel is 40% of where their revenue comes from, and Citadel is basically that hedge fund that we're trying to fuck really. And we found out that Citadel was actually suppressing rocket companies, which is RKT, ever since September. They found the order flow from Robinhood, and they've been using the order flows from Robinhood to basically suppress the price of any company that Robinhood buyers buy. So this is why it's fucking soaring like crazy. We're already at $26.30 pre-market. This is absolutely insane. Um, you guys know how much I love fucking RKT. You guys know that I've been talking about market manipulation for the longest fucking time on RKT, and I think that this is more than likely that Citadel is the cause, basically, of Rocket Company's suppression since September. And this is absolutely insane because the fact that Citadel was actually suppressing the price of Rocket, and it was, it basically traded flat for the last like 3 months, right? Like, look at all this. And the fact that now we know that Citadel was the one responsible, which is the same hedge fund like Melvin, responsible for basically we're basically fighting Citadel and Melvin on GameStop, and those are the same people that were fighting for RKT. And RKT is, like I said, was being suppressed by them because of the Robinhood order flow that they get, and not just the stock, but every other stock that Robinhood traders buy, and that got massive amounts of volume. Citadel would actually like suppress that stock price and short it, and that's why you guys saw a lot of like really good companies IPO, and you're like, wait, what the fuck? Like, why isn't this moving anywhere, right? Like, this is supposed to be going up. It's a really solid company. Like RKT is a solid company, and finding out that Citadel was actually suppressing the price and shorting it. Now that we know that it's not being like, now that we know who it was, fuck Citadel, dude. They've been trying to fuck over the little traders for the longest time. I'm holding this shit for fucking ever. I'm up right now $6,000 currently. Rocket Companies is trading at $25, which it hasn't done this since August of last year, which is insane that the price has been trading sideways since then. I'll see you guys later.